Hello everyone. Today I'm laying the foundation for RGX Capital Private Limited by innovating the future through research, education, and finance. So let me introduce myself. I am Raman Gautam, the founder and director of RGX Capital Private Limited, a company built on the belief that innovation, knowledge, and strategic thinking can transform the world. My vision behind RGX Capital is to create a global ecosystem where research, education, and finance work together to solve real world challenges and open new frontiers of growth. Complete business presentation. RGX Capital Private Limited aims to revolutionize finance and research by combining wealth management, education, and innovation under one platform. The company provides investment solution, financial consultancy, and advanced AI research, biotech research, and clean energy research. Our goal is to create a global system driving suitable growth, technology advancement, and financial empowerment for clients and industries worldwide. About us, RGX Capital Private Limited is an integrated research and finance powerhouse, offering wealth management, investment, education, and consultancy services. Founded in 2023, it unites innovation, technology, and finance to empower individuals and institutions through smart research driven strategies, global investments, and sustainable growth across industries and financial market. Let's talk about our strengths. RGX Capital's strengths includes a diversified portfolio combining research, education, and financial services, a visionary leadership team, proprietary platform like RGX Terminal, multidisciplinary expertise, innovation-driven strategies, and a strong foundation for global expansion and substantial growth across industries. Let's talk about weaknesses. RGX Capital faces challenges as a new brand with limited recognition. High research and operational cost depends on investor funding and the need to attract and retain top talent in competitive global market, which may impact short-term growth. Let's talk about opportunities. RGX Capital can leverage global demand for AI, clean energy, and fintech solution, expand its education and research platforms, enter international markets, develop blockchain and digital investment tools, and from strategic partnership to driven innovation, growth, and sustainable financial impact. Let's talk about threats. RGX Capital faces potential threats from market volatility, regulatory changes, technological disruptions, and intense competition from established global players. Additionally, depends on continuous innovation and talent retention may pose risk to growth and operational sustainability. Here are some services we provide. We are currently working on AI, quantum mechanics, biotech, and clean energy. The next service we are providing is education and training. The next service we deliver is financial and investment services. The next service we provide is consultancy and advisory. Here is our timeline for next 5 years. From 2023 to 2025, we have done foundation and structure of our company. From 2025 to 2026, we are expanding and integrating new features and with new companies. From 2027 to 2028, we will launch our products worldwide, globally. From 2029 to 2030, we will be recognized and we will be leading the industries across the globe. Here is our next 5-year map where we will establish our offices and research centers. So currently we are based in India, but in next 3 years you will see us everywhere. Now I would like to invite all Indian talents to contribute in future innovation. So if you are interested, you can contact us through email or phone. Here is our address and we will innovate the future. Thanks for watching.